One, two, three, go jump. One, two, jump. He's got it.
Good job. Oh, good job.
One, two. Ready? One, two. Jay, what did I say about waiting? Good job. One, two. One, two. No. He held his breath for a while though. They have like a scuba gear for dogs or snorkeler. You sure? Sparky. Go get it, Jay. Come on, Jay. One, two.